Now we start with the structure of heart. The heart has two parts, upper and lower. Upper part are called as auricles and the lower part are called as ventricles. Auricles are receiving chambers, ventricles are distributing chambers. We have two parts of our body, the right and the left. So we have right auricle and the left auricle. We have the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Now keep in mind that the heart, the right side of our heart, that is the right auricle and the right ventricle, deals with deoxygenated blood, and the left part of our heart, that is the left auricle and the left ventricle, deals with oxygenated blood. Deoxygenated means it is having more of carbon dioxide and very less of oxygen, and oxygenated means more of oxygen and very less of carbon dioxide. So the right auricle is receiving chamber. It is receiving deoxygenated blood from the entire body, that is the head, neck, arms and the lower part. Now we come to the structure of heart. Now I will show you the diagram. We say that keep in mind what I draw as these are the auricles and these are the ventricles. This is the right auricle and this is the left auricle. Now the auricles are very thin walled. Now this thinness is because they are just receiving the blood from the body. See, I am making the diagram and this diagram is showing you these are auricles are equally thin walled. That means they are just receiving the blood. The right auricle is receiving the blood from the entire body with the help of these two blood vessels. This is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava is bringing the blood, deoxygenated blood from upper part, that is head, neck and arms. This is from the lower part, the entire. So when this is full of blood, it will give the blood to the lower part. This is the right ventricle. Right ventricle. Now what we say, the blood from the right auricle is coming into the lower part, right ventricle. It can go back. So to prevent the backflow of blood, we have these blood, the valves. These valves are called as tricuspid valve. This tricuspid valve is closed with the help of, we have these muscles in our heart and these thread-like structures which are pulling these steps down. Clear? So these thread-like structures are called as chordae tendineae and these muscles are called as papillary muscles. So when the blood is in the right ventricle, these steps are closed and the blood cannot go back into the right auricle. So the only way for the blood to go is this blood vessel. This blood vessel is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary means lungs. So it is taking the blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Yes, after oxygenation, the left auricle is receiving the blood from the lungs with the help of pulmonary veins. It is coming back into this. So again the backflow is prevented with the help of chordae tendineae and papillary muscles. The valve at the junction of left auricle and the left ventricle is bicuspid valve. And when this step is closed, the blood from the left ventricle is going into this blood vessel called as aorta. Aorta is the largest vessel which is distributing the blood to entire body. Clear? This is with the help of this part to the upper part of body, that is head, neck and arms, and this is to the lower part of body. So we have seen that both the auricles are equally thin walled because they receive the blood from all the parts of body. Right ventricle is thicker than the auricles because it has to pump the blood to the lungs a very small distance, but the left ventricle is thickest because it has to pump the blood to the head, neck, arms against gravity, and to your feet, that is to your toes, a very large distance. So it is in need of more muscle, so it is the thickest chamber of our heart. Clear? So we say that we have the receiving chambers, the distributing chambers, these two the blood vessels, and this blood vessel and this blood vessel. So we have two auricles, two ventricles, pulmonary artery is taking the blood from the heart to lungs, aorta is taking the blood from the left ventricle to all the parts of body, pulmonary veins are bringing the blood from the organ, that is the lungs, back to heart. Superior and inferior vena cava is bringing the blood from all the parts of body into right auricle. Till this part we have discussed. Next time I will talk about the circulation. Clear? Thank you.